Hello, and welcome. Today we're making flawless heart-shaped sugar cookies. Classic, comforting, and perfect for Valentine's Day or any day. Expect crisp edges and a wonderfully soft, buttery center. No music today, just a calm walkthrough with clear, step-by-step guidance. We'll focus on fundamentals: good butter, pure vanilla, and reliable technique. A mixer, a rolling pin, and a heart cutter are all you need. Clear your counter, put on your apron, and let's begin, calmly and confidently. For the cookies, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, soft but not melted, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 extra-large egg at room temp, and 2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 tablespoon of milk, only if the dough feels dry. For the glaze, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar sifted, 2 to 3 tablespoon of milk and ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Gel food coloring in red or pink if you like. Gel colors are potent. Use the tiniest drop for soft, elegant tones. Tools: stand mixer with paddle, or a hand mixer, or a wooden spoon with determination. Measuring tools, a sifter, a sturdy rolling pin, and a sharp-edged heart cutter. Line baking sheets with parchment. Mise en place makes everything calm and easy. Beat 1 cup butter on medium about 1 minute until creamy. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Beat 3 to 5 minutes until light, fluffy pale yellow. Mix in the room temp egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla on low just until combined. Don't overmix. Sift together 2½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Add dry ingredients in 3 additions on low, mixing just until the flour disappears. The dough should be soft and pliable, not sticky. If crumbly, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time. Stop mixing as soon as it comes together to avoid tough cookies. Divide the dough in half and shape each into a 1-inch thick disc. Wrap tightly and refrigerate 30 to 60 minutes. Chilling firms the butter so your hearts keep their crisp silhouette instead of spreading. Lightly flour the surface and rolling pin, just a whisper to prevent sticking. If the dough is rock hard, rest it 5 to 10 minutes so it's pliable, not warm. Roll from the center outward, turning to keep even, preventing sticking. Aim for a consistent 1/4 inch, so all cookies bake evenly. Press straight down and lift cleanly. Twisting distorts the heart's point. Transfer to parchment, spacing about 1 inch apart. Gather scraps, press into a disc, wrap, and re-chill briefly before re-rolling. Pro tip: chill the filled baking sheet 10 to 15 minutes for razor-sharp edges after baking. Preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, with the rack in the center for even heat. Move directly from fridge to oven to set shape immediately. Start with 8 minutes. Total time is usually 8 to 10 minutes. Look for matte, set centers and edges just turning a pale golden hue. If all brown, they'll cool hard. Pull when edges only just color. Remove as soon as edges kiss golden. They should still be soft. Let them set on the hot tray for 2 minutes to firm up. Then move to a cooling rack so air circulates and edges stay crisp. Cool completely before icing. Icing on warm cookies melts and turns messy. Patience here gives you that flawless texture we're after. For the glaze, whisk 2 cups sifted powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla. Aim for thick enough to cover, thin enough to spread smoothly. Color lightly. Small gel dots go a long way for soft Valentine tones. Spread a thin, even layer to flood the cookie for a smooth matte finish. Pipe a neat outline for definition, then add sprinkles while wet if you like. Keep it simple: solid red, white with a red border, or pink with tiny white polka dots. Let icing dry at room temp at least 1 hour, until fully set to the touch. Serve on a simple white platter or a tiered stand for a party-ready look. Package in clear bags with ribbon, or line a box with parchment or tissue. So thoughtful. Once set, store airtight up to 5 days. Layer with parchment to protect icing. Uniced cookies freeze 1 month. Thaw at room temp, then decorate.